दोस्तों, अगर आप हिम्मत हार गए हो कि अंग्रेजी में कैसे बात करें, कैसे सीखें, दोस्तों प्रैक्टिस से ही अंग्रेजी आप बोल सकते हो और कोई रास्ता नहीं है। थोड़ा थोड़ा सेंटेंस आप पढ़ते रहिए, बनाते रहिए, आप इंग्लिश बोलने लगोगे। प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़रूरी है। आपको विश्वास नहीं होता, ये पूरा वीडियो देख लीजिए, आपको विश्वास हो जाएगा। क्योंकि मैं आई एम एन ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर, मैंने इंग्लिश में बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया है। मैं देखो अभी आपको स्पीच दूंगा, आप पूरा वीडियो देखिए हमारा। एक स्टोरी आपको सुनाता हूँ। Once upon a time in a village there was extreme poverty. People could hardly survive except some rich people who were living without any problems. One day 3 rich men along with their servant were passing by the village. Poverty provoked different reaction in all three of them. The first rich man could not stand such poverty, so he took all the gold and jewelry from his wagon and distributed them among the villagers, then left. Then the second rich man passed by. He stopped after seeing such poverty. He decided to help the poor villagers. He gave away all his food and drinks to them, and he might save that each villager received his just share and would have enough food to last for some time, then left. Then the third rich man speeded up. He did not stop. He was traveling in the opposite direction. They saw him talking to some people. They were commenting on how foolish third rich man that, and he lacked decency and sympathy. They thought it was good. They were there to help the poor villagers. They were very disappointed with the third rich man, then went away. 3 days passed by. They met the third rich man was traveling in the opposite direction. They saw him carrying farming implements, tools, sack of seeds and grains from his wagon. Then went to the third rich man. Then the third rich man told them that he was teaching farming techniques to the poor villagers. The two rich men understood everything. They felt like foolish people, and they given them only gold and foods. They solved their problems for a few days, but the third rich man found a solution to their problems for lifetimes. The end. Next, Oliver Twist. Once upon a time in England, a young pregnant lady fainted on the street. She gave birth to a baby boy and died. The baby's name was Oliver Twist. Oliver was sent to an orphanage. He spent the first 9 years of his life in this orphanage. He did all odd jobs there. One day Oliver went out apprentice to a local undertaker. The undertaker did not like Oliver because there another boy, Noah, who helped the undertaker. Noah teased all the time Oliver. He kept saying bad things about Oliver's dead mother. I can't take this anymore, so I have to run away, thought Oliver. So one day he ran away down and traveled to yard London. On his way to London, he slept on the street and drank water from the fountains to fill his empty stomach. Oliver finally reached the city. There a boy named Jack met him. Hey, it seems like you have nowhere to stay. Do you want to come with me? Oh, thank you, said Oliver gratefully. Oliver went with him and realized that Jack worked in a gang of petty thieves and pickpockets. So Oliver became a member of their gang. Next, the law purpose is to protect the common man. The common man in every country want peace. I am common man. I want peace. I hate crime. I hate corruption. I am an honest man. Trust me. Political. Before election, all party leaders promise to do better, but after winning election, they forget what they promised. They want to come in power only at any cost. That's why any human is not happy with related political party. Next, one day a foreigner passenger met me from Andheri West Infinity Mall. He told me that I want to go to Juhu Beach. How much? I said you can go by meter. He told me that I'll give you 50 rupees only. I told him that don't worry, I'm an honest man, trust me. Suddenly he sat in my auto. I drove it to Juhu Beach. He is very happy for my honesty. Next, if you want to be a rich man, getting rich is easy. If you want to be a rich man, getting rich is easy. You can work hard and earn more money and save money further 25% by putting off your salary and saving back an investment per month from in share market in mutual fund for growth for future. But there have to need discipline in life first. Further, I was writing an application on the PM portal regarding to pond for clean and beautify from in my village Kanwani Kiraka Jaunpur district. I am writing, dear sir, we have public pond numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. The large pond is lying unattended since our nation's independence. We the villagers collectively request you to kindly look into this matter and help develop for clean and beautify our village pride. The large pond is very necessary for we the villagers, and if any case on this pond can be done with the permission of the court. Thanking you by Nursing Bin. दोस्तों, इंग्लिश बोल के आप प्रैक्टिस करके इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो। इंग्लिश बहुत आसान है, कोई मुश्किल का काम नहीं है। आप प्रैक्टिस करिए, जितना हो जी छोटा छोटा आप सीखते रहिए उसको। डेली आप जब भी आप फ्री टाइम में आप उसको बोलिए, मुंह से जितना साउंड निकालेंगे उतना क्लियर आपको आवाज़ आएगा। आप समझेंगे, धीरे धीरे समझेंगे, आपका इंग्लिश अच्छा से ग्रो करेगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय बाय।